guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing part 2 of a bag unboxing. So if you guys didn't see my previous bag unboxing, I did unbox some beautiful rhinestone shoes and this beautiful pink bag. So if you guys want to see more details about these, make sure you go and watch the previous video. But today we're going to be doing a part 2 because they did send me 2 bags and 2 shoes. So we're going to open up the other bag and the other shoes. So let's get into it. If you are new here, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos, and comment down below which bag was your favorite, and all the details to the bags shown will be in the comment section below. You can use my name for a discount as well, so make sure you go and order and get your bag in time for Christmas. So let's go ahead and get started with this video. Okay, so first we are going to open up the shoes. So the shoes came in the box. Shoes are going to be the exact same style as the black rhinestone ones, but they're going to be in a different color. I just love these style of shoes. So now I have 3 pairs of the same style of shoes, but I don't care. I love the style. They're so pretty. And I had to get these colors because this is what I'm going to be wearing in the fall and winter time. So let's go ahead and open this baby up. So it does come with the cards, but we don't keep that. We don't keep any of that. And here is the bag. So let's go ahead and take these babies out. Oh my gosh, I thought these shoes were gonna be a lighter pink in the photo, but I'm not mad at them. This looks so freaking cool. Like, I love the brown and pink. Like I said, I thought the pink was gonna be way more subtle, but it still looks really pretty. But I just loved the brown and pink combo. I had to have it. This is gonna be so cute when I wear brown sweaters, because I do wear a lot of brown sweaters in the winter time. So I was like, okay, we need some brown shoes. So this is what they look like. They have the hot, it's like a hot pink and brown, and it has the LV logos everywhere with the brown shoelace. Here's what the bottom looks like. These are so pretty. These are definitely very unique. Should I just wear this with my outfit right now? These are so pretty, but it's an interesting shoe, that's for sure. But definitely you would get a lot of people looking at your shoes like, nice shoes, like, whoa, look at those shoes. So I think, wow, these are very nice. Like, I think I'm gonna wear them right now. I love that it has the little pink LV logos at the bottom right there. I love that. That is so cute. And I love the smell of new shoes. I love smelling new shoes. I love the smell of like new shoes, new car. I just love this. I love smelling things. That's why I'm the smelling queen. The bag is probably going to match with the shoes even more because I think it's like the same shade of pink. But this is not an LV bag. This is Prada. This is probably gonna be my first Prada bag. I don't own a Prada bag, so I wanted to get this because I know furry bags are in right now, and I saw this Prada bag and I was like, oh my god, that is the cutest furry bag. I have to have it. And I don't own Prada, so I was like, let's get it. So I can already see it's gonna be so pretty. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Ooh, and I love the bag. I'm probably gonna keep the dust bag for things. Ah, this is so pretty. Okay, let's open her up. Let me move the camera a little bit down. I feel like it's a tad too high. There we go. I should have had it there the whole time. Okay. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh my god. Is this not the cutest bag you have ever seen in your entire existence? I'm definitely taking this to Vegas with me, like, because I bought a fur jacket that's supposed to get here for my trip because it's supposed to be cold over there. I'm definitely gonna take this so I can wear it and just be like, oh my god, it's so cute. I love this. I really wish you could turn this into a crossbody bag, but it's okay because sometimes I just want to carry my bag like this. Like, it's just easier to walk like that with your bag. But this is so pretty. They should make this in a bigger version. Like, imagine if they made this into like a tote bag. Oh my god, that would be so perfect. But for now, this will do. It is so soft. I just love it. And then look at the emblem on the side. It's pink. Oh my god, I love this so much. And then here there is the little logo as well, and you can put your keys there. So let's take out the stuffing. Okay, so the inside is not pink, it is black, but it's okay as long as it's not red, because the red kind of throws me off. But this is what the inside looks like. It is just one big hole. So let me find my phone so we can see how the phone will fit in here. So if it's perfect, that's all you need is your phone and your card and your keys and some lip gloss, and you're good to go, girl. But I just love it. It is just so pretty. So here's one close-up. Oh my god. And I love how soft it is. Like, if I take this on the plane with me and I need to take a nap, like, it's my little pillow. I mean, I'll probably get makeup on it, so I probably won't do that, but I mean, I could if I wanted to. But this is just so cute. I'm in love with it. She's so pretty. This is so gorgeous. I love it. What do you guys think? It is just the cutest bag ever. Like, it's so pretty. I can't stop staring at it. So yeah, I'm definitely taking this with me. So this is my part 2 unboxing. Let me know which one was your favorite. Let me know which shoes you liked the most and which bags you like the most. Like, I can already tell which ones you guys are gonna say, but let me know what you guys think. And if you guys want the information to these bags, like I said, it will be in the comment section down below. Make sure you go and check them out. You can get these just in time for Christmas, and you can use my name for a discount. So go crazy, girl, treat yourself. So yeah, that was it for this second part unboxing. If you guys want to see more unboxings, don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up. And that was it. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.